Hello, everybody. I skipped question 8, so we'll start with question 8, and then we'll go through hyperbolas. This is an ellipse. First of all, it says that it's an ellipse, which is a nice little perk, but the plus sign is here. The equation is ready to go, so the first thing we'll do is the center. X comes from X, and Y comes from Y. Change the sign. So since we have a positive 5 with the X, we'll have a negative 5. Gosh darn it, I accidentally hit enter. Negative 5, and then a negative 2. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and sketch that. Now this one is a little bit different than the last ones we did because this is in the y direction. A squared is 25 and A is 5, and that's in the y direction, up and down 5. So Stewie's head is going to go up and down 5. So I'm still going to be over to the left negative 5. But for the vertices, which come from A, you will go up and down 5. So you can add 5 and subtract 5 from the negative 2. To get those 2 points. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And negative 2, oh, what is this? It wasn't 2 plus 5, it's negative 2 plus 5. Come on. I'm not having a good morning. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. And negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7. There we go. What did I do wrong? Still to the negative 5. I'm up 3. Oh, that should be negative 5. Do what I say and not what I... Okay. All right. Okay. Now, the foci comes from C. Don't forget that. Foci comes from C, and it will be A squared minus B squared equals C squared, because the equation has a plus, this equation will have a minus. A squared is the bigger number. 25 minus 4 is C squared. 21 is C squared, which means the square root of 21 is C. The foci is going to be in that same direction, so it's going to kind of look like the vertices, but you're going to add and subtract the square root of 21. So you'll have negative 5. And then what was the center again? Negative 2. And one time you'll add the square root of 21. And then negative 5, negative 2, minus the square root of 21. Okay, to find the graph, it's the one that's going to be on the left over here, up and down. You can kind of see from my sketch that I didn't finish up. So B will be that. Okay, so that is question 8. I'm going to go ahead and make a video just for that one since it was the one I skipped.